Struggling with affiliate marketing? Useful techniques to help you succeed. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn a solid income from your website, but it can be hard to know where to start. Fortunately, there are many people out there who are already making money through affiliate programs, and their advice can help you get started. Here are some of their tips. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. The prudent website owner will take an affiliate's reputation into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to work with the affiliate. Regardless of the potential profits or the sales potential of the affiliate's products, an affiliate that is tough for customers to deal with will reflect poorly on the webmaster. The best affiliate marketing partners to work with are those that provide copious communication with their webmasters. Affiliates that have established robust customer service and feedback systems are easier to work with than fly-by-night advertisers. Partnering with affiliates that have plenty of support available will cut down on the hassle website owners have to go through to make affiliate marketing pay off. So you see, a successful affiliate marketing program is surprisingly easy to set up. With just a few simple steps, you can get started in affiliate marketing and watch the money roll in. Just remember what you've learned from this video, and before long, you will have your own affiliate success story to share. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.